Doesn't matter what I believe. 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 Doesn't matter what I believe.
What are you making?
Hinges, sir.
Which character are you? No matter what position you hold in the New World Order, I bet you would say you are a good guy, trying to make the New World Order system better. Maybe you're even religious.
I've got some workers coming in tomorrow. Where the hell are they from again?
Yugoslavia, Commandant.
I've got to make room. Make me a hinge.
Yes, sir.
Make me a hinge. You're doing well. Make me a hinge. Very good. I'm a bit confused. Perhaps you can help me. What? I don't understand this. But you've been working since, I think, what, about 6 this morning. Yet, such a small pile of hinges. Oh, Christ.
Yeah, try that, sir.
Check the angle lever, maybe it's bent.
No. You wouldn't hear a click, it was the angle of it's the pin.
Maybe it's the pin. Maybe the pin shaft is
come on.
greasy.
What did I just say? Yeah.
Herr Commandant,
Let me see.
I beg to report that my heap of hinges was so unsatisfactory because the machines were being recalibrated this morning. I was put on to shoveling coal.